Tomorrow we are in Vihiga. The entire leadership of Linda Mwananchi will be here. And on Sunday, we conclude with a very important big rally in Kisumu. And I want to say as this, that it will be difficult for anybody to stop any of these rallies, either in Vihiga or in Kisumu. And if you try, you will see something you have never seen in your life, because this is a tsunami. This is a people's movement. And we come in peace, and we preach the language of peace. Now, why Linda Mwananchi? Linda Mwananchi is because we believe that Raila Amolo Odinga and the party called ODM stood for something. And that something was to defend the people, to fight for the people's rights, to fight on the basis of the social democratic principles of the Orange democratic movement, and to protect our Bill of Rights, protect and defend our Bill of Rights. That is the true spirit of ODM.